Hello everyone, my name is Earl Knight, your expert realtor, and today we're going to be covering the topic step number 7, make an offer, which is part of our 10-step process to purchase a home. I am so excited about being able to share this wonderful and great information with you on today. So today, we're going to be covering, again, step number 7, how to make an offer. So before I dive right onto it, again, my name is Earl Knight, your expert realtor. I've been licensed now for over 18 years, licensed also in the state of Florida, also in the state of Georgia. I specialize in residential property, condos, townhomes, land, investment property, you name it, and love to help you. So today we're going to be sharing the process on how to purchase a home. And let's dive right on it. But before we do that, let's go over the 10-step process right quick, okay? Number 1 of the 10-step process is to start with your credit. Number 2, set your budget. Number 3, line up some cash. Step number 4, time to find a great realtor. Step number 5, get pre-approved. Step number 6, search for a home. Step number 7 is what we're covering today, make an offer. Step number 8, go under contract. Step number 9, get a home inspection. Step number 10, close the deal. Hooray, this is where the confetti takes place. This is where the gifts, the exchanges, the hugs, the cheers, the pictures, the Facebook, the Instagrams, all that great stuff that we worked hard to get to step number 10 to close the deal. So let's jump back into step number 7, time to make an offer. So you have found the home that you love, the perfect house, the fence, the yard, everything is perfect, the 3-car garage, everything that you've been looking for, and you're ready to make an offer. This part of the process tends to get pretty tedious, or should I say more serious, because of the contracts. So when buying a home, I wanted to let you know that verbal agreements just don't count. They don't work. Just like handshakes when buying a property or anything just don't work. Back in the day it did, today's world it does not. So I said all to say this, that's why it's important to get every detail that you want inside that contract. It must be written down, line upon precept upon precept. By doing so, both parties and seller agree on the contract by signing it, and now you are on the contract. So let's get back to the steps. You're ready to make an offer, right? So this is the process. Step 1, the buyer makes a written offer, hopefully a great offer, a strong offer to show that you really want to buy the property. Step number 2, the seller can decide to accept your offer, counter your offer, or even reject or decline your offer. So step number 3 says, well, what if the seller accepts your offer? Congratulations, you are now in the contract. Or step number 4, the seller counters your offer. Then you as a buyer has a choice of either countering back or accepting their offer. So either way, you have decisions to make until both parties decide or you decide to move on. Step number 5, the seller declines or rejects your offer. You then have the opportunity to make a new offer or start all over again with step 1 and or start searching for some more homes altogether. So that's part of the 5-step process. But I have a couple notes behind that. Note number 1, escrow deposit. With every offer, almost always an escrow deposit is required. And that can be anywhere from $100 to $500 to 1% of the sales price. Just remember that is your money, and it's just showing in good faith that you're looking to purchase this home. Note number 2, your realtor does all the legwork for you. So they basically take care of the paperwork, they take care of the negotiations, they take care of any questions. That's what your good realtor is for. So to find out more about what we just talked about today into detail, or what an offer contains as far as contingencies, as far as disclosures, as far as what the extra wording means on the 10-12 page contract, as well as what monies are used for, you can contact me directly and I'd be glad to share the information with you. Again, my name is Earl Knight, your expert realtor, licensed now for over 18 years. If you have additional or want to know all the 10-step process, there'll be a link there that you can click on. Also, if you want to contact me and get more other information, there'll also be a link there as well. Again, my name is Earl Knight, your expert realtor. Love sharing this great information with you. Look out for our next video. So glad to talk to you today. Bye-bye.